Guys, welcome to Gunners Lovers TV. Spineless Arsenal draw to Chelsea. Last minute rush, extra time. Trossard just missed the ball while Havertz was waiting to tap it in. Question you ask is, why did they not communicate among themselves that let me have it, I'm going to score? It just shows the level of lack of communication in the team. At the moment, Arsenal's players, their confidence is very low. So it's not something anybody can help them to bring back. They have to help themselves. But I remember that last season, they were misfiring like this. I think they lost 3 matches on a roll, and then they went to Dubai and came back. During that period, they came back from Dubai, started beating teams 5-0, 4-0, 6-0, and all those things. So this time around, it's international break. I don't know where they will go and come back. Martinelli is just beginning now to get his game rhythm back. Odegaard came back from injury. At a point, he was asking for the ball at midfield. Nobody gave it to him. Chelsea's defense was not that too fantastic. Will once or twice had issues trying to cause fouls here and there from Daviria, from the people at the back. Now, Havertz scored a goal that was deemed to be fractionally offside. So this is the problem I have with VAR. If your shoulder 1 inch crosses the line, or your breath blows past the line, it is deemed to be offside. So when players want to pass now, I can extremely describe it that if you breathe and your breath past the line, it can be deemed to be VAR. Well, Chelsea pressed on the counter. I didn't really see them playing toe-to-toe with Arsenal in the midfield. All they were doing more was get the ball, fire it to the wingers. If I remember, that's the kind of style Lampard used to play with Chelsea. If this is what they have been working on, they won't go far. And there was a time Jackson too got ball. I don't remember that he was alone, offside. So it's going to be a disappointing result for Arsenal, because on a day or on a week where Man City lost their match, and our dearest Liverpool is soaring very high like the eagle, Arsenal could not seize the opportunity to bridge the gap. Now they are going to international break. Saka was kicked many times. He almost finished his leg. He was replaced. Merino came in. Jesus came in. I don't know what Arteta was hoping to achieve, bringing Jesus at the 80th minute. At the end of the day, Arteta was seen sitting on the floor when that last goal was missed. So, like I said, spineless Arsenal misfiring forwards could not get us a win. Like, share, and subscribe. Do not walk up past this Gunners Lovers TV. I'm your host, Augustine. Remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Please share this video to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.